There you are. Welcome to Zen Fits here in Blackstone, Virginia, the center of the world where everything fits. The title of this talk is Stop Kicking That Can Down the Road. I started this talk and had to quit it because I forgot to put plug my mic in. So anyway, if you picked up when it first started, here I am again with sound, hopefully. Anyway, stop kicking that can down the road. One of our favorite childhood games or play is kicking a can down the road. Who hasn't done that, you see? Well, we're still doing it. We're kicking the can down the road with the hope that in the future we'll get to a can that isn't dented. We're kicking a dented can down the road, hoping that the promise is that in the future we'll get to it. We'll have a can that won't have a dent. Or, if we're conservative, we kick the can down the past with the hope, with the belief that we can get back to the original can, the original America, the original man before he got corrupted and dented. You see, so there's the can of the perfect can in the past, and there's a perfect can in the future. If you're conservative, you're kicking the can to the past. If you're progressive, you're kicking the can to the future. But the hope, the promise is that at the end of the kicking, there will be a perfect can, a whole can, a can without a dent, the promised can. But we never find it. Why? Because every can we kick has a dent in it. The can is a metaphor for your world, for you. If you have a dent, if you have a flaw, you have some nagging feeling that you're not complete, that you need some more, you need something more, that's a dent. So you get a commercial. Oh, buy this deodorant and you'll get rid of the dent. You'll be joyous. See how happy the people are in the commercial? See how joyous they are? They have a can with no dent. Get this deodorant, or car, or relationship, or political party, or religion, or idea, or belief system. There's your perfect can. Kick it down to the future. You'll find it there. You'll find it at the end of the rainbow, at the end of the road. Or it's in the past. It's like the Garden of Eden in the past. And we've been kicked out, kicking the can around down the road of time. Go back to the garden. Follow the path back to the garden. Get rid of all those dented cans. And you come to the original can that has no dent. Or go to the future and create the can that has no dent. But either way, the can's got a dent in it. And you never get a can that hasn't got a dent. Take it back to the grocery store. Can's got a dent. Go get another can. You go get another can. You get home, it's got a dent too. Take it back. Go get another can. Go get another can. Oh, it's got a dent too. Why do all the cans have dents? Why can't we find a perfect can? Why can't I find a perfect world? Why can't I find a perfect me? I'm the world is me. Where can you go that you are not? Think, oh, the world's out there. I'm here. The world's got a dent in it. It's not perfect. See, all the fighting politics and all that, all these dents, you know. So where can I find a world that's not dented? Well, we never find one. Maybe we create a commune. Maybe we take everybody and go to Utah. Maybe we go to Idaho and have a little, build a compound, you see. Or maybe we go to Costa Rica, somewhere where there's no dent. But everywhere we go, God dang, here's another dent. Here's another dent, just when I thought I was free of dents. Damn. Just kicking the dent. History is just kicking the dent down the road. You know, that's our story. That's our play. That's our play. Kicking the can down the road, you see. We don't see that we kick the world unconsciously and then find a dent in it. And remember, you are the world and the world is you. So if there's a dent in the world, there's a dent in you. If there's a dent in you, there's a dent in the world. You reflect each other. World, you. They're different, but they reflect each other. And you can't separate a reflection from the mirror. See a world with a dent? It's a reflection of your dent. but they're different. But we don't see that they're also not different, that you cannot separate the reflection from the mirror. Although they appear to be different, and on one hand they are different, but at the same time, on another hand, from another viewpoint, they cannot be separated. And that's the problem. The difference and the sameness are incompatible. And logically, and we live in a logical world, we live in a common sense world where everything is what it is. We don't live in a dream world where, like Alice in Wonderland, where the croquet mallet is a flamingo. Croquet mallet's a croquet mallet. The flamingo's a flamingo. The flamingo can't be a croquet mallet. Croquet mallet can't be a flamingo, except in a dream. Wait, is our world a dream? Is the world I see my dream of separation? Is my world a dream where everything is what it is? The world is the world, and I'm this, and the world is that. And if the world is dented, well then I got to find another world that won't have a dent. Or maybe I've got the dent, and the world's okay. Now I got to get fixed. I got to have therapy. Got to get religion. Got to go see Jesus. Get rid of this dent. Or the world's got the dent. Got to do something to get rid of the dent. Or we both have a dent. Oh my God. Despair, nihilism, might as well shoot myself. So you see the three dents. You got, I'm okay, but the world's got a dent. Or the world's okay, but I got the dent. Or we both got a dent. No. Oh my God. You see, so we keep kicking the can down the road trying to get rid of the dents, but we can't because we don't see that I'm the world and the world is me. That's not logical. I'm here, the world is there. That's true. But at the same time, I am the world and the world is me. I am the can I'm kicking down the road. So I keep kicking myself down the road, either in the future or the past. Oh, I want the old days to come back, or I want a new day. Either way, I'm kicking the same dent down the road, hoping for a new can. The only answer is to be Popeye. See the contradiction. See the impossibility, the contradiction. See the ironic twist. And the can opens and it's spinach. But always eat your spinach with a little olive oil. Thanks for dropping in.